night. 1. Result Form 34A from Rukwaro Market Polling Station, Rongo Constituency, Migori County was erroneously transmitted to the Presidential Results Portal. The Commission will await for the original Form 34A, validate it with the presidential agents, and thereafter replace the said image in the portal once that validation is completed. Another incident is that 2 incomplete Form 34Bs from Ainabukoi constituency, Wasingishu County, and Saboti constituency, Trans Nzoia County, were erroneously uploaded in the Commission's portal. The returning officers for the respective constituency will upload the correct Form 34Bs upon signing by the returning officer and the respective agents at the constituency's tallying centers. So they'll be uploaded to replace the images that were incomplete and posted on the portal.